Now this is our fish already in the bucket. You must make sure that you also have something that you can cover this bowl with immediately after the salt come in contact with these fishes, so as not to jump out. So just watch as I do the needful. So you see them reacting. See them reacting. I'll still need to put in a little bit of salt. Now they are quiet. As simple as ABC. This is the simplest method to kill your fish or to make your fish go on hibernation, so as to be able to handle them as easily as you can. So now you can see all of them are on hibernation. I can handle them without struggle. So this will make me handle them and wash them properly. So please, if you have not yet subscribed to our channel, you can hit that red button. It won't cost you anything to subscribe and to follow us for more content. Also turn on the notification bell so as to keep updating you on subsequent content that will be uploading very soon. Thank you.